Team Jan Ki Baat is at the iconic Brigade Parade Ground in Kolkata, which is, in the heart of the city. And today, in the true sense, the campaign for the 2021 highly fought and high-octane Bengal elections has in fact set off with the Prime Minister's rally. Now, there have been many who've claimed that, okay, there's been a low turnout, but we've been on the ground. We've covered it from different vantage points. In fact, I personally was there in the last row to just get a sense of how the crowd is looking. And I can tell you for sure, there was a massive turnout. Now, it won't be practical to put a number to it, but definitely the turnout was in lakhs. People travelled from across the state through the night to come here only listen to the Prime Minister. If you see around me, this is the same ground which hosted the Prime Minister and this massive rally that concluded a short while back. And the Prime Minister spoke for close to 65 minutes, where he touched upon almost every issue. He was at his oratory best, where he took on the Chief Minister of West Bengal directly, touched upon many points, appealed to the urban elite in Kolkata, sent a message to the poorest of poor across districts in West Bengal, made an appeal to the woman voter, and in fact constantly made the Ashol Poriborton pitch. Now let's talk about the points where the Prime Minister in fact took direct aim at the Chief Minister of West Bengal. When he started off his speech, he in fact went ahead and said that the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, betrayed the trust of the people of Bengal. At multiple points, he went on to say the attack on dynasty was very, very clear in the Prime Minister's speech, when he in fact took on the campaign slogan of the TMC, which is Bangla Nijer Meke Chai, where he went on to say that you are not just the daughter of Bengal, but also the daughter of the entire country. When you were voted to power, Bengal entrusted you with its fate and trusted you as their own Didi. But what did you do? You just limited yourself as the aunt of one Bhatija. So the Bua Bhatija attack was very, very clear at one point, and he was at his caustic best. Then also came many moments where the Prime Minister spoke in Bengali. Didi ato rag keno? He in fact asked that question directly to Mamata Banerjee from the Brigade Parade ground stage. Ato rag keno? Also went on to say that when you know that power is going to slip away from your hands, you are reflecting your frustration with your anger. Ashol Poriborton is what the Prime Minister focused on multiple times, and also went on to say that the opposition, which calls, which says that I work only for my friends, I want to tell them that the poorest of poor in this country, I work for them, because I come from that kind of a background. I come from a very, very humble background. Then he also, one more thing, the appeal to the woman voter has been very, very strong in his speech, where he spoke about the flagship schemes of the central government, the schemes that has always kept the woman as the center point of while in fact thinking of those schemes which also involves the LPG gas connections. Spoke about iconic women leaders of Bengal, who hail from Bengal, from Ma Sharada Devi to Rani Rashmoni. They made, the Prime Minister invoked their, in fact, contribution to the state of Bengal and the country as a whole. Now, if you see around me, this ground is empty right now, but you get a sense of, the kind of capacity it can hold. And once again, we can tell viewers of Jan Ki Baat that this ground, in fact, was jam-packed. Lakhs and lakhs of BJP supporters travelled from across the state to come here and listen to the Prime Minister. And that's what the Prime Minister also started off, that this blessing of the people of the state of West Bengal gives the BJP confidence that they will in fact bring about change. Now, he also said that we don't want to, when we talk about Ashol Poriborton, it's not just about bringing change in the government, but bringing in change in the cut money culture, in the syndicate culture, in the commission culture, bringing in change in the lives of the youth who are suffering because of unemployment. So almost every little aspect has been covered. Star feature of today's rally, there was a lot of speculation of many stars in fact being a part of this rally. Many insiders and source-based information had suggested that Akshay Kumar will be on stage with the Prime Minister, so will actor Prashanjit Chatterjee. But today, Mithun Chakrabarti officially joined the BJP, and he was also amongst the speakers who spoke right before the Prime Minister came in. So, electric atmosphere here at the Brigade Parade rally. One more interesting thing was the attack on the Congress and the left, but no word on ISF or Abbas Siddiqui, where he in fact accused the Congress and the left of hypocrisy and their opportunistic alliance. So these have been the features of the Prime Minister's speech. Waiting to see how the Trinamool Congress and the Third Front react to this. For all the updates, watch Jan Ki Baat.